Tonight we leave Earth, destination, the edge of everything we can possibly see. City lights fall behind. We rise over the night side, where auroras breathe and oceans glow. The moon drifts past our window, Earth shrinks to a marble, distance stretches, time looks back. We turn toward the Milky Way. Star fields thicken, horizons widen, and we set course for scales beyond imagination. We slip past the Earth-Moon cradle, skimming by Mars. The asteroid belt drifts, rubble fields, quiet and spacious. Far ahead, the outer planets glow, distant jewels on velvet. At the heliopause, the sun's breath thins, then interstellar night. We drift past our neighbors, Sirius, Alpha Centauri, cold fires nearby in the dark. Beyond them, Orion blooms, pillars and veils where newborn stars breathe, our neighborhood's glowing clouds, spun from dust and gas. We reside on a spiral lane, the Orion arm, halfway out from the galactic center. Pull back, and the Milky Way resolves into a vast lattice, stars, dust, and void braided by gravity, our arm a single strand in a restless tapestry still. Pull back. The Milky Way's barred spiral unfurls beneath us, arms of starlight wheeling in patient grace. We slip across the galactic disk, dust lanes threading past as billions of suns blur into a silver mist. Across the dark, Andromeda hangs like a lantern, our nearest great companion. Together with the dwarf galaxies around us, we are the local group, a small island of light in a far larger ocean. We leave the local group, just a handful of harbor lights, glide into Virgo, follow flow lines toward the great attractor, and find our home sea, Laniakea. Pull back from a single galaxy to reveal the cosmic web, glowing filaments threading vast, silent voids. The filaments flow like glowing rivers of galaxies, the voids between them, great quiet seas. Distances so immense that motion feels like stillness. Eons pass in hush as gravity sketches these lines. We set our course along a filament drifting outward, toward deeper time and thinning starlight. Across unimaginable ages, the rivers thin. Starbirth falters, then ceases. Galaxies fade to embers, adrift in widening dark. Temperature slides toward equilibrium. Energy spreads so evenly that nothing more can happen. Along our filament, clusters loosen, their light reddens, and silence deepens. At the end of a much longer tail, only black holes persist, patiently evaporating through Hawking radiation. When even they are gone, the cosmos is a cold, quiet sea. No heat to spend, no light to cast, the big freeze, an ending written in stillness. Enter the realm of faint smudges, galaxies billions of light-years away, scattered like ash across a velvet sky. This is the deep field. When we look this far, we look back in time. The light we see began its journey long before Earth existed, crossing eons to reach us now. Up close, some appear lopsided and clumpy, young, irregular galaxies where gravity is still sculpting shape and order, starbirth blazing in bright nurseries. Keep going, toward the faintest glow we can possibly see. A handful of photons whisper from the edge of the observable, each dim ember a history still unfolding. We drift through a deep field of ancient galaxies, approaching the very edge of what we can ever witness, the boundary of the observable universe. It isn't a wall, it's a glow, the afterlight of the young cosmos, released about 380,000 years after the beginning. This is the cosmic microwave background, the universe's baby picture, a faint pattern of temperature ripples imprinted on the sky. Back then, the first atoms formed and space turned transparent. Photons decoupled from matter and began a 13.8 billion year journey to us. We arrive at this horizon. Beyond it, light has not yet had time to reach us, so the CMB becomes our farthest visible shore. A quiet, ancient shimmer, clean, constant, and majestic, the oldest light we can see, wrapping the cosmos like a fossilized dawn. The observable universe isn't the whole universe. It's just the part whose light has had time to reach us. A bubble set by light speed and the age of the cosmos. And that horizon grows with time. As the universe ages, our bubble of sight expands. Tomorrow, we'll see a little more than today. Our journey reaches the farthest sight line, but space continues beyond. We turn back and find our galaxy a distant spark. Our limits don't teach smallness, they teach scale. As our gaze returns, the horizon pulls back, past our galaxy's suburbs, through the local group, along the Milky Way's bright arms, and down to the pale world we call home. In all this immensity, we are a way the cosmos looks at itself and becomes something new. If this journey moved you, like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more cosmic voyages through space, time, and the mysteries that bind them.